Hi guys and welcome to today's video. So if you're new around here, my name's Katie and I do kind of like uni and beauty and book kind of content. If you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification icon as well. It would mean the world to me. But let's get on into the video. So today I'm doing an unboxing of Huda Beauty's mystery box that she released on her website earlier this week. I went for the smaller one. I believe it cost around about £35 with shipping. Oh, with taxes, I believe. The shipping was free. I'm not entirely sure why. I did only order this earlier, I think on Monday maybe, and it arrived on Thursday, so it was really fast shipping, which I was really impressed with. I'm just going to get up the details of the box. So yeah, I believe I paid around £35. Yes, there's 4 full-size products in here as well as a bag. It says I haven't opened it yet, so I'm gonna see what products I got first time with you guys. I've seen these mystery boxes around for quite a while, like the Jeffree Star ones. They do all the time, and I've really wanted to try one out, and as I only have one item from Huda Beauty, I thought that going with her would be a good idea because I really enjoyed the eyeshadow palette that I have from her. But obviously, as I don't have like anything else, I know that pretty much everything in this box I'm not gonna have. I've kept off opening it so I can open it with you guys, so let's see what's inside the box. Inside it just looks like this. It has Huda Beauty Mystery Bundle, and that has a 15% off your next order code, and then it just has her normal wrapping paper with the lips on. Let's see. So the first thing, okay, everything is inside a little tote bag, which is cute. It just says Huda Beauty on it, and tote bags are always handy, you know, when you go shopping. Although I do have so many, so I'll probably just give this to one of my friends. Anyway, let's see what products are inside. Okay, so everything is wrapped again in bubble wrap. Like, this was really well packaged thing, but the box itself was really well packaged as well. I've noticed that brands are doing these like bags, so like Huda Beauty does them, and it's like basically the same as the Glossier bag that their stuff comes in. Okay, so first of all there was a little sample which I knew I was going to get, which is the Wishful Yo Glow enzyme scrub, so I'll be trying this maybe later tonight. Okay, so the first thing I'm seeing is a Huda Beauty Obsessions palette. I have the green one, but this one is the ruby one, which looks really pretty. I really like, oh yeah, that's really pretty. This is definitely like up my street. I love these kind of colours, like reds and burgundies, pinks kind of colours. So I'm really happy with that. I'm glad that I got one that I don't already have, because I was slightly worried that knowing my luck I'd get the one I already have. But let's try swatching some of these. I'm instinctively going for this shade here. Oh yeah, that's so pigmented. They feel really buttery, her eyeshadows. I noticed that in the other palette that I own. And there's a nice mix of shimmer and mattes in here. So the 2 shades I've swatched look like this. So they're really pretty. So I'm really happy with that, and I believe that these palettes retail around maybe like £25 in the UK. So already we're up to like 25 quid when I spent 35. Also, I've managed to get pink all over my hand, which is great. Okay, so the next product I'm seeing is a Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Trophy Wife. I actually love that shade name. And it looks like this. I've never actually tried any of her liquid lipsticks before, but I've heard good things about them. This says long-lasting and comfortable matte liquid lipstick. Intense pigmentation helps to maintain lip hydration. So this looks like a really nice kind of like mauvey pink shade. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, it's like a nice dark kind of mauvey pink shade. This is definitely something I'd wear on a night out or something. So I'm really happy with that as well. I feel like that shade and the... Actually, maybe not. I'd probably wear a nude lip with the eyeshadows, but it's not like far off being nude. Also, I love the packaging. Like, it's very sleek. And also, can you see it's like the little like lips are holding it. Okay, so the next thing I'm seeing is another lip product, and this is right up my street. This is, it says it's a demi matte lip. So it's demi matte lip cream in the shade Day Slayer. Again, I really like the shade name, and if you know me, I pretty much always wear a nude lip, so this again is right up my street. Also, really sorry about the lighting. I've put up a little ring light behind there, but I'm not entirely sure that it's bright enough to counteract the window there, and I can't really film facing that way because I've got too much stuff on my desk to make a nice filming background, but I will soon tidy it up so I can film that way. Okay, again, I really like the packaging. It feels really sleek. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's definitely like a Katie shade. It's kind of like a nice, I wouldn't call it dark, but it's not like a light colour. It's just like a very nice, kind of like classic nude. I'm not even sure if this camera's picking up the lighting very well, but that's what it looks like. Okay, and the last product, because there were, oh, okay, this is a highlighter palette. I actually, oh, okay, I hadn't even noticed that, but look, she kind of like shines. This is the 3D highlighter palette with 3-dimensional highlighter palette, melted cream and powder. Okay, so there is a shade to prep. It says apply Barbados as a base to smooth skin and amplify light. Step 2, set. Dab Maldives from cheek to temple to set and bring out the pop. Sculpt. Apply Aruba under cheekbones to add dimension and shape, and then flush sweet Bora Bora on apples of your cheeks for a healthy glow. I actually love the idea of this. I like how there's different like colours and it tells you exactly what to do, so you can kind of like sculpt with highlighters themselves. I also love how the names are all like luxury holiday places. So let's give these, I'm gonna have to swatch them on my other hand, but oh yeah, okay, so Barbados is a cream. I've never actually owned cream highlighter. I'm not entirely sure that I could use that to prep, as it says that's like a bit dark for my skin. Okay, Maldives is a powder highlighter. Aruba again is a powder, and then Bora Bora is also a powder texture. Right, I'm not entirely sure that I've swatched these very well, but I'll show you. So this is going from the first shade. As you can see, it's a bit dark for my skin tone, so I'd probably actually use that on the eyes instead of on the face. This is like a highlighting colour that would definitely work for me. Again, this is a sculpting colour, so I think I could definitely use this as well. And then this is the blush colour, so I could definitely use that too. So I'm not entirely sure what all of these different products actually cost at retail value, but going from what I've seen of Huda Beauty products before, it's definitely more than £35 that I spent. I'd say it's more getting close to maybe the £100 mark, if not just over £100 of those. So I'd say that that's a pretty good bargain. I went for the smaller package rather than the large one because there was 2 sizes, just because I think the large one only had 2 extra products, but it was like £20 more, and I just wanted to get myself like a little treat for finishing third year and for finishing my degree. So those 4 are the products that I got in my mystery box. I actually think that's a really good selection because you've got a palette for the eyes and also a palette for your face, and then you've got 2 lip options. So I think that's really good because you can basically just make a look out of that. All you'd need is like foundation and concealer and eyebrows to add to that. So overall, I'm definitely happy with the little like stash that I got from that mystery box. I actually think mystery box is a really cute idea, especially with a brand like Huda Beauty, because I feel like you can't really go wrong with her products. Like, nothing's majorly too out there, so you're not going to be disappointed with anything you get. And I also think that's really good value for money. I'm not entirely sure how long they were running the like mystery box bundle, but if you haven't got one, I'd recommend one if you like her products. If you did get one, let me know what you got in your mystery box down below, and as I said before, don't forget to subscribe while you're here, and I will see you in my next video.